Flock all the Ruku Dumiri.
I want a very tall, handsome, with pink lips. You know, I'm a very fine girl.
Maka, you know, Maka. Ijima we kwa. Ano kwa? Ayani ya? Hey. No, we don't know.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Hey. Aro Makagi. Happy Christmas.
Oh, the same to you.
Adike bata.
What did you say?
Ask me about December.
So I don't understand Igbo.
You don't the year Igbo.
No.
Where from come? UK, America.
Oh. I just came back from Lagos.
You say Lagos ever? Lagos here?
Yes.
I know hear Igbo.
No.
The boy for there?
Yes, I was born and brought up in Lagos.
You're from Igbo?
Yes, my mom and my dad is Igbo. I just came back to the village to look for a husband.
You come to look for husband?
Yes.
Okay, so I do every December I come look for husband for you. Wow. I'm a man of God though.
Okay. Really?
A full good man of God.
Wow.
I they give husband, I they give child.
Are you serious?
You don't know. Tell them better give me something first.
Order whatever you want. Order. I'll pay.
No, I beg, give me 2 pieces of chicken and 1 bottle water. Big one, I beg.
It's too much now. I thought you're supposed to order for food.
No, you know say I like to eat with you hungry me if you hungry me. Oh. Not like Iri Egoma or Gom. Oh. Hey. Thank you. Hey. God bless you. Maybe actually. Onye babo na cheso ogana go wana asina. Maybe actually. Noleba ankaka na balabala ngunina. No kaka kadu over no rice. In actually chogo ngina di. Oh.
Are you sure this guy is not even cussing me? Hope you are enjoying yourself.
Of course. Onye nka ndị Lagos ndọkasịkwa mgba mmiri again. Adọkasị na mgba mmiri na ọka ndị East bịa diwe. Shut up. Abịa kpochiwe. Osekwan cartoon. Sejuo cartoon aka. Kana ọhụ onye enwezikwa kacha. Ọhụ onye adakwana ka ala dala. Ndị Lagos ndị njọ. Also, come we bunje meko ni jo isi ebe nkun. Anya ahwa de kwage. You fresh you.
Thank you. I want a very tall, handsome, with pink lips. You know, I'm a very fine girl.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah, you have here na East. Na actually na maka gino we ga maka. Ma ijima we kwa. Flock all the Ruku Dumiri. Ina achọ onye na-epush nne ya ma grandmother ya ka oje mbo English na nka. Ka oje mbo English na nka. Ema asọ sobo unu. Man ina abi inu di na bo unu ikiri. Ebe na ma asọ sobo unu ke ge malon caution unu. God bless you for this thing. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Ne ko de ka mo abale. Ayi da bicho di. December look on amale ebe East no. Nkarika towing van. God have mercy. Na inwa nwa welu odamakunye ni mi oto moto. Na je bo na je. Orumiri na ele madu onwunyu anya.
Okay, give me your name. 4,000.
She will pay you.
Now she order. I been now you order. She don't go.
Yeah. Nah. And there's a one Mary order. On up to go more that girl. Good baby here now. Nah, this guy on up to go more. On up to go more back. Huh? Now just make an order for chicken.
Okay, give me my money. The time when you order, you know so now you go pay. You don't know. Give me my money.
Who dey be ya? Mabana. Ya huru mo gwo. Uka ngwa kan na gwo ya huru mo gwo.
What is my mental?
Kama if I come tomorrow, oh? If I come tomorrow.
Which tomorrow? The time when you order, no be today you order the chicken. Now tomorrow, give me my money today.
I'll pay tomorrow.
No, I don't agree. Give me my money, Shechi. It's me, Shechi. Now you chop the chicken. I mean, today you chop the chicken.
Oh no, I'm talking about. Mabana ya huru mo gwo na. Huru mo gwo na kiyo.